Guys, in this video I will share with you uh, multi-coin faucet multi-coin faucet website. But first of all, this is my YouTube channel, and if you come in on my YouTube channel, you will see that I have a lot of videos, and most of them are also about Litecoin. Today I want to share with you on a website from where you can claim lots of Litecoin, um, and they are good paying. And also I will share with you the payment recipient into my faucetpay wallet. If you came on my YouTube channel, go on search and click on Litecoin, and you will see faucetpay free crypto coins. This is my YouTube channel, all the videos that I have about Litecoin and how you can earn free Litecoin. As you can see, I have a lot of videos about Litecoin on faucetpay free crypto coins on YouTube channel. So this is the earning website that is a multi-coin faucet, and if you click here you can see all the crypto coins. Sometimes from some coins the faucet can be empty. Come again and check it because they refill. Today let's claim Litecoin. They check the site if it's a secure connection. So the connection is secure, and now we are on Litecoin. As you can see, balance status ready, that they have money to balance, and you can claim 1000 claims per day, each 10 seconds. They are the timers, and how much you can earn per claim: 156. That is huge in comparison with other earning websites. You have to pass a chapter. You must write the word that's written with caps into this box. Click I'm not a robot. Do the chapter verification. Click verify and claim now. I have to do a firewall. If your browser remain open and you don't claim, they ask you to firewall and verification. And this is the main page, and let's claim again. Again, I'm not a robot. Motorcycle I have to do on this chapter verification. So what do they ask you to click? And click on claim now. Success! 156 Litecoin has been sent to your wallet. You click on X, red X, and close the ad. And now go claim again. Close the X button that it's on ad. Write the word. Do the chapter verification. And claim now. So succeed. I claim it 106 of. Now let's check the faucet pay. Refresh. As you can see, I already claimed it. And as you can see, these are Litecoins that arrived into my faucet pay wallet. As you can see, 156 56 Litecoin, and this is my current balance that I have into my wallet right now. And we can check the value. Click on wallet, scroll, and see. For Litecoin I have this amount, 0.68 uh, in dollars. This is the amount that have equivalent in dollars. USDT is the equivalent in dollars. Also, guys, on my channel you can see how to set up your faucetpay wallet, because only with faucetpay wallet you can claim free faucet. You collect the coins that are here, and later you can swap if you want something else, withdraw, and in your direct wallet you can swap again in other coins that you like. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.